Go.
Okay, welcome to our house here in the Variable Park. Welcome. Come in, come in. This is the first entrance of our home. The parapet. There is my uncle, uncle, and this is our figurine. My grandmother, and some of my art. And this is our Malaysia. Room of my grandparents. Now, use the accent. So nice to see. Here is my room of my auntie. Very messy. Shock. Parang hindi babae. And our kitchen. Upang ina. Ibang katira dito. CR. CR. Oops. Ow, may iat. Kumusta na iat. And there, you're entering my room. This is my room. I mean, welcome to my room. Yes. This is my room. Whole room. I have my own basketball court. Oh. Need more practice. My study table. Where I used to study during exam. And my bed. My idols here, posted here. And my art during my art workshop. You can see here my stuff for my drawing, my paint, paintbrush, and lots of stuff. My collection. My collection. My closet. This is my closet. Voila. This is my gala uniform. That's good. Yes, this is my room, my closet. If you don't like basketball, you can have a billiard table and play. Or maybe you can play with my dart. And my kitchen. No, this is not kitchen, this is a junkyard. That's all. Thank you for coming.